Hey guys, it's Claire from Clairified Creations, and today we're going to be doing some Christmas decorating. My dad just brought in all of our Christmas decorations using his tractor. I'll insert a clip now. But anyways, here is what our garage is currently looking like. You can see we have several boxes of just Christmas ornaments and decorations. There's the big tree. It's in a giant bag to keep it protected. Then we've got some towels to clean off all the dusty boxes. Look at how much stuff we have. This year, I'm going to be decorating pretty much our whole downstairs by myself because my mom has been busy all day with making Thanksgiving dinner because it's actually the day before Thanksgiving. Normally, we decorate our Christmas tree the day after Thanksgiving, but we started doing this tradition last year and we really liked it, or at least I did, because I like having guests come over and just seeing our Christmas tree and everything because it's so magical. The first thing we're going to do is put the tree in the living room. As of right now, you can see our current situation. About 1/3 of our lights are working on our tree. So I am going to unravel all of these lights that I put around them last year. And then we're going to see which ones work and which ones don't. My least favorite part about Christmas is putting the lights on the tree because half of our lights don't even work to begin with. And I think half of them that were on the tree that I put around last year aren't working. So it's a challenge. Wow, what a shocker. Let's see on the other pair. Wow! Okay, half of these work. That's great. See all these? But those are. So that's at least good. We have 1/3 of the tree that's working. We have another set of lights that are working, and then our other set to wrap around the third part of the tree, the top, half of the half is working. So we have a very big light dilemma. As you can see, we have a fully lit Christmas tree, and my #1 tip for making sure that your lights are working is to plug the tree in. I was just casually becoming very frustrated by the second because I could not find any lights that worked. And this tree has little spots to plug your lights in, and you probably can't see that, but deep in here there's a little plug, and I plugged it in, and magically the top third of the tree lit up. We're gonna wrap some more lights around it, but our problem has been solved and we can now carry on with Christmas. In the middle of me detangling all those lights, I finally decided, you know what, I don't have time for that. So instead, I'm going to decorate the stairwell. We have a little festive garland wreath thingy that goes around and wraps around it, so that's what I'm going to do. And while I'm doing that, my dad's going to detangle the lights. Hopefully we can get that all done. There is no Christmas without lights. Those are very important, and you can't decorate the tree without having lights on first. That just won't work. So we're going to have a new plan. We're going to be festive and holly and jolly. Oh my goodness, you guys. Christmas decorating is definitely a lot of fun, but it's also so exhausting. I'm going to pick this back up in a couple of days or maybe tomorrow and do a full tour of all the Christmas things we have in our house so you can kind of see up close, but I hope you've enjoyed this part of the segment and I'll see you in a couple days. Then you walk in, open the door, and Christmas! There's Christmas. I got it for Christmas from my grandma a few years ago, and he just sits here watching for all the guests coming. The stairway is all green. It has little lights on it that I put up, and then it wraps around, and then you keep walking, And here's our bathroom that we decorated. It just says Noel, and then has a little green Christmassy soap and this little Christmas thing. You keep walking, and this is our cabinet. So we have 2 Christmas trees, and this one just says the year we stayed home, which is very accurate for 2020. Some muffins, season's greetings, Santa with the snowman, and then 2020, the year we stayed home. Here's the full shot with the bear on top for that Christmas look. Moving over to the other side, there's another tiger, courtesy of Dr. Moose Henderson, who took those images. We have a Christmas snow globe, Christmas figurines, and when I open them up, they'll actually play music. On top of our other display, there's a Merry sign that we got from Cracker Barrel and a Precious Moment to go on top of our Precious Moments display. If you can't tell, we do indeed collect precious moments. There's all the ones that we have. There's so many of them. What you guys have been waiting for is the Christmas tree. It wouldn't be Christmas without a Christmas tree, so let me turn you around and show you the finished product. Here is our tree. Now, it's nothing super fancy, but it's definitely meaningful. Another one of my favorites is this stocking that I made, and I was 7 years old. I'll just give you guys an up-close view so you can kind of see. That is the pickle ornament, and comment down below if you guys hide the pickle every year. This is such a fun tradition that we always do on Christmas Day with my whole family. And another fun fact, I have found the pickle, I think, every single year since we've been doing it. So the last part of our Christmas area is the mantle, decorated by my mom and I, mostly me, but then she fixed a lot of things to make it look pretty. We have Rudolph, which my grandpa made. There's a nativity scene. And fun fact, we actually lost baby Jesus a couple years ago, but we still remember him, and we know that he's supposed to be there. And our stockings, Claire, and then those are my parents' initials. And then this is just the top of the fireplace. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye! And then the fireplace, this is not a fireplace. And my mom is vacuuming, so please excuse the sounds. But this, since I was really little, I don't know. You're just like devouring a muffin. You're like, and the last part of our Christmas